Hi, today I would like to show how to make raw mango pickle. This is a very easy mango pickle which even beginners can try. The ingredients which we need for this pickle is chili powder, preferably Kashmiri chili powder, then turmeric powder, sesame oil, asafoetida powder, salt and mango. And we need mustard and curry leaves for splattering. So let's see how it can be made. It's very easy and it can be done even by beginners. So first I will show how you need to cut the mangoes and then we will proceed. Okay, so this is how you need to cut the mangoes. First you need to cut this portion, this round bit, you can see. First you need to cut this out and then you need to cut like this, all four sides. So 1, then 2, 3 and then 4, all four sides. So you can see I already cut one mango. So like this you need to cut, and if there is any small piece you can cut this. Okay, so this is how you need to cut the mango. First you need to keep the skin on. So let me finish cutting and then I will show. Okay, so once it is cut like this, then each piece need to be cut into small pieces like this. So small pieces like this. Okay, so I have cut all the mango slices lengthwise into small pieces. Now we will chop this. We will chop this into small slices. I will show once I chop these 4 pieces. So this is how you chop the mangoes, which is cut lengthwise. So I will finish the chopping and then I will show. Okay, so the mango is sliced nicely. So you can see this is how you need to slice the mango. Now we will keep the pan and do the pickle. So the pan is kept, and once it is hot I have poured the gingerly oil. First we will pour this much, like 4 tablespoons, at least 4 tablespoons, and then once the mango is stirred, we will check whether this much oil is enough and we will pour more. Since it is pickle, we need more oil, and I am not using any vinegar, so more gingerly oil is to be used for the storage purpose. So right now the oil is hot and I am going to splatter the mustard and the curry leaves. Okay, so I put 2 teaspoons of mustard and a handful of curry leaves. So first let it splatter, and then we will put the masalas. Okay, so I have put 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. I just took it out of the heat because otherwise it will burn. So I just took it out of the heat, and while stirring you can see we need more oil. So I am going to pour more oil and then salt. So let me pour 2 more tablespoons of oil. It's pickle, you need more oil, and there is no way you can cut the oil. So this is gingerly oil, which is much better than other oils, especially for pickles. Gingerly oil is good and it is a preservative, so you don't need to use vinegar if you are using gingerly oil. So let me pour at least 2 more tablespoons of oil and salt. Okay, so oil is poured, more oil is poured, salt I put 3 full teaspoons of salt, and I put the mangoes, and let's see, after stirring, let me check the salt and the chili, and if we need more we'll put, need more oil. We need more oil and more salt, so I will put one more teaspoon of salt and 2 more tablespoons of oil. Okay, so 4 teaspoons of salt and approximately 12 full tablespoons of gingerly oil I have used, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. You should not boil your pickle. Your pickle should never get boiled. So once it is warm, you can switch it off, and you should check whether it's moist with oil like this. Now it's ready, the pickle is ready. I tasted, salt is good, spices are good, so it's ready for use. Now once it is cold enough, you can keep it into a jar. Make sure that the jar is completely dry and the lid also completely dry, otherwise the pickle will get spoiled very fast. Since there is gingerly oil, we don't need vinegar for preserving this pickle. What you can do is, you can just pour this into an airtight container which is not having any water droplets, any wet, it should not be wet, and then on top of the bottle you can pour some more gingerly oil, and you can close it and keep it in your fridge or even on your dining table. Only thing is, whenever you are taking this pickle, pour a little bit of, once you have taken for that day, pour a little bit of gingerly oil on top of it, then it will never get spoiled, and it's very tasty, and it's very easy for beginners. Like, this is a very easy pickle for beginners, so do give it a try. Thank you.